Those are our two words for today that we are going to keep telling ourselves. I am beautiful. I am glorious. Let us say it together and empower each other today. I am beautiful. I am glorious. Lady Boss palette was in my friend mail from my friend Julia. The name of her channel is Accessorize Your Life 60. Please go check Julia out. This is a beautiful, pretty palette. Can you see it? And I got this in friend mail from Julia. Julia is Accessorize Your Life YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is called Accessorize Your Life. Julia is cool, calm, collective, and her videos are very informative. So go over and give her a check. Let her know V from Simply You Makeup sent you. And give her a like and a comment on her video for me, please. Please, please, I'm asking you. I appreciate it very much. Accessorize Your Life 60. Julia, she's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful person. She's my friend. She's my friend. She sent me this cute palette and a lot of other things. If you look at my friend mail, you will see the stuff she sent me. Oh. I had that head shower cap on today. After I came out the shower, I didn't even want to take that. It is so cute. It is such a cute little shower cap. I didn't want to take it out. Today's look is a simple eyeshadow look. If you are home and you're feeling bored and down, and you have makeup around, take it and play with it. You don't even have to put it on your eyes. Take it and swatch it. Lift your spirits, lift your mood up. Don't stay down. And find somebody else to talk to. Somebody that will listen to you. This is the first color from the Lady Boss. This is the first color from the Lady Boss. No glasses on, I can't even tell you the name. So I'll show you the color. It is this color right here. This one right here. That color name, this one right here that I just used is called Slay. Okay, have that ever happened to you? Tell me please. Please, please, please tell me if that happened to you. I'm going into this color right here. This pretty color that looks pink. Glasses to tell the color name, and the color name is Femme. These are really nice and soft. Have this ever happened to you? You go to the store to get some stuff. You get what you came for, but you came across something else. And you're like, I know I can use this. I need it. And I needed it. It was something to hold my powders. But because I was already in there and I had picked up something else, I looked at the stuff, I turned it upside down, I look it over, check the price. I mean, I could have afforded, but I was like, I don't need it. Then I walked back to it, checked it out again, picked it up, put it down. I don't need it. That's why I tell myself, I know I need it. But I was like, I already have this. I don't want to add on more to what I already have, so I left. This thing stayed on my mind for almost a week. And I just couldn't get it out of my mind. This color right here called Statement. It's a purple shimmer. I am debating, do I really need to go get it? I haven't came home. Reorganize my powder to make sure I don't need it. I mean, you name it. The whole 9 yards. I did all of that, and then it still will not leave me alone. So a week later, I wake up and went to a whole other store to see if I find it, because I was like, I need to go look for a palette. So I'll just go to that store and see if they have something like it. So when I went to that other store, they had no palettes that I liked, or even the container that I'm looking for. So I had to drive way across the other side to go look for that stuff. And now I'm saying to myself, because while I was there, there was only one. So now I'm saying to myself, oh my God, while I'm driving, I hope it's still there. I hope it's still there, because I truly really need it. Why did I do that to myself? It's something that happens to, I guess, all of us. We want it, but we don't want it. We need it, but we will play and debate on it. You know what I mean? The next color I'm going into is called Mindset. What a perfect color for what we're talking about. Mindset. I'll put it right here in the outer corner. So I drive clear across the other side. One place is, the first place I go is about 15 minutes from me, and the place that I saw the stuff and left it is 5 minutes away from me. So now I'm driving clear across, trying to figure out, not figure out, but hoping that nobody, like no one has bought it, because it was the only one I saw there. And I'm driving and I'm like, I hope no one bought it. I hope no one bought it. The things we do to ourselves. The things we do to ourselves. I'm just taking a little brush, small brush, to go into the outer corner. I have very small lids. My eyes are very small. So the next color is called Wonder. Wonder is this color right here. Try and Wonder with the brush first and see. But I don't think Wonder is gonna work with the brush. So I'll do my fingers. Thank you, Julia, from Accessorize Your Life, for the palette. Love it. I went grabbing to make sure that powder cosmetics holder is still available and no one have touched it. Like I say, it is the only one sitting in the store, and I have to have it now. Now I have to have it. It's when we cannot have something, we want it. All the time it was available, we did not want it. But now, knowing that we might not have it, yeah, we want it. We're gonna go through hell or high water to go look for it now. And I am going to go look for it and hope it's there. And I got there. I've arrived to the store. And I am making my way to the back of the store where I left it. And I'm hoping it's there. I entered the store. The security guard said, "Good morning, welcome." I said, "Good morning, but I have a mission in mind." I'm walking to the back of the store. I'm passing everything else. I'm like, I'll check everything else later. I gotta go see if my stuff is there. Was it there? Was it there? Let's find out if it was there. I swatched the palette so you can see. These are all the shades. £15 palette. Very pretty, very light, and it blends very well. This is my eye look for today, and I hurried up to that shelf where I saw that stuff that I needed for my powders. And lo and behold, it was there. I picked it up, looked around, make sure nobody was heading towards it, and I walked right to the cashier, paid for it. I got it. I have it right here. I will put a picture in there so you can see what it looked like. It fits like a glove. This is the little tray I'm talking about. You see how well and nice it holds my powders? It holds my powders so nicely, and then I put my blush and the palette I'm working with and samples of my foundations that I want to try. I took some powders out so you can see what I mean. This is the stuff I'm talking about I went back to get. I am so glad I went back and it was there. It was the only one. I knew it was going to work for me. I knew I wanted it, but for some reason I decided, oh, I can come back. I'll come back another time. I'll get it. I'm not ready for it. I come up with all these excuses that we usually do, and then we go right back to the store and get it. In the comments, tell me if you have ever done that, if that happened to you, and if when you went back for the stuff, did you find it? Thank God I find it. I needed it. Again, these are the swatches of the 15-pound palette from my friend Julia from Accessorize Your Life. Go visit her, give her a like, a comment, let her know Simply You Makeup V sent you. And again, you are the lady boss in whatever you do. You are lady boss. And the inspirational word for today is I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am glorious. I am beautiful. I am glorious. Remember, you are first. I will see you in the next video. Nice, soft, sexy look. Take a look. Bye.